1/2, that's 2.5 years. So the time taken is 2.5 years. The next question says that 3 girls shared a number of apples in the ratio 5:3:2. If the highest share is 40 apples, find the smallest share. This is also JAMB 2010, question number 3. So if you look at this, we have 3 girls. Let's be 3 girls. Let them be A:B:C. So this is the first girl, second girl, third girl. Now, the question says that their ratio 5:3:2. The ratio between them is 5:3:2 according to the question. If the highest share is 40 apples, find the smallest share. Now, the first thing we ask ourselves, the one with the highest ratio is A, which is 5, followed by B, which is 3, followed by C, which is 12. The total number is 5 plus 3 plus 2, and that is 10. Ratio A of the total apples share. So in that situation, will definitely be, what is A? The ratio of A will definitely be 5 over the total. What is the total? 10. So you have 10. Of the total apple, let the total apple be X. So automatically 5/10 of the total apple will be 5/10 times X, where X is the total apples shared. Total apples shared. Now it is given to us that the highest, which is A, receive 40. So automatically what it means is that 5/10, that's for A. 5/10 times X, and the A receive 40. Now what it simply means is that where X is total apple shared. So in this situation, 5 here 1, 5 here 2. 1 times X over 2 equals to 40. We are looking for X. So automatically we cross multiply. So X will definitely be 2 times 40. And X will now be 80. That means, therefore, total apples shared between the 3 girls will definitely be 80 apples. But here the question asks us to find the smallest share. According to this ratio, which one will definitely be the smallest? It will be C. And the ratio of that will be, for C now, the ratio will be 2 over the total. The total is 10 times X, which is the total number, the total apple shared. So and since the total apple shared is 80, so it will be 2 over 10 times 80. So 0 can cancel this, then 2 times 8 rather, that's 16. Therefore, the smallest share is 16. So that means C will go with 16. So the answer to that question is 16. That means the smallest share will definitely be 16 apples. Then the next question says that a man had 3,500 per month, out of which he spends 15% on his children's education. If he spends additional 1,950 on food, how much does he have left? That is another thing. If you are to talk about the parameter here, we have children's education. We have children education as the first thing we talk about. Then we also have food. Then we have left over. on left. Now, these are the three expenditures that we have. These are the three expenditures. So in that situation, that means the man's total will be the one spent on education plus the one spent on food, then plus the one that is left. And the question has given to us that the earning of this man is 3,500. So that is his total, which is 3,500. He now said that out of which spent 15% of his on his children. So 15%, the one on education, the one on this education is 15% of what he had, of his earning. So automatically this one will give us 35 times 15. That will be 525. That's 525 naira. That's the amount spent on education. Then the amount spent on food is 1,950 naira. 1,950 naira on food. Then the rest is left. Now in that situation, that means education will be 5,225 plus the one on food, which is 1,950 plus left. And the question asks us for the left. So if you are to calculate the left, we sum this one up and we subtract it from this, and that will be our left. So the next thing is to sum up 525 plus 1,950. So that will give us 2,475 plus left is equal to the total, which is the earning. So in that situation, and we are looking for this left. So we are looking for the amount left. So the amount left will be the earning as the total minus the one spent on education and food, and this is what you have, 2,475. So minus 3,500. So that will be 1,025 naira. So the amount that will be left will be 1,025 naira. Now the next question, which says evaluate 21 divided by 9 to 3 significant figure. This one is a digression from the one we just did. So it is 21 divided by 9, and we're asked to express it in 3 significant figures. So the first thing we note here is that 3 here, 7. 3 here, 3. 3 in 7, 2. Point, remainder 1. 3 in 1. 3 in 1 impossible, so that's why you have the point. Then 3 in 0. So we're going to have, what I'm saying is, to make it clearer, it's like resolving to division, where you have a scenario like this. 3 in this, 2 points. 3 in 1, impossible. So because this one is 6 now, minus 3 in 1 is impossible, you have 10. 3 in 10, 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 minus this, 1 again. Another 10, 3. Another 9, 1. So this one will now be a repeated number. It will occur repeatedly. That is, it does not terminate. So at this point, I'm going to be having 2.333. And the question asks us to convert to 3 significant figure. So that means 3 non-zero digits. 1, 2, 3. The next number to that is 3, which cannot be rounded up. Instead, we round it down, so it becomes 0. So at the end of the day, we're going to have 2.33. this is to 3 significant figures. Now, the next question. A man invested 5,000 for 9 months at 4%. What is the simple interest? This is another JAMB question. In this situation, mostly our simple interest is calculated in years. So in this situation, we calculate using the time in years, but this one, the trap is, it is given to us in months. So we must know the relationship between year and month. So in this situation, a man invested, so that's the principal. The amount that invested is the principal, which is 5,000. Now, in the time is 9 months. The time is 9 months. Then the rate, that's R, is 4%. So the question asks us to find the simple interest. In this situation, this one is normal, this is normal, but this is not normal because our simple interest formula is I equals to P times R times T over 100, where this our time is calculated in years. So, but the trap is, it is given to us in months here. So I will know that 12 months make 1 year. So 9 months will be X year. So we are going to have, when we cross multiply this, we are going to have 12x equals to 9 times 1, 9. So we have divide both sides by 12. So we are going to have 3 year, 3 year, 4. So 3 over 4 year. So we have succeeded in converting this month to year. So in this situation, we'll have 3 over 4. So in that situation, we now have I, which is what we are looking for, times our principal. What's our principal? That's 5,000. Times the rate. What's our rate? 4. Times the time. The time is now 3 over 4. So it will be 3 over 100 times 4, because the 4 goes down. So this is what we're going to have. So in this situation, 4 can cancel 4. Then we have 0 cancels 0, this one cancels this. So we have 3 times 50, that will be 150. So interest here will be 150. Interest will now be 150 naira. And that's answer the question number 8. This is question number 9. This one is a special type and it comes out